Sahih Bukhari. Belief. Volume 1, Book 2. Narrated by Ibn Umar. Allah's Apostle said, Islam is based on the following 5 principles. 1. To testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and Muhammad is Allah's Apostle. 2. To offer the compulsory congregational prayers dutifully and perfectly. 3. To pay zakat, that is obligatory charity. 4. To perform Hajj, that is pilgrimage to Makkah. 5th. To observe fast during the month of Ramadan. Sahih Bukhari. Belief. Volume 1, Book 2. Narrated by Abu Huraira. The Prophet said, Faith, belief, consists of more than 60 branches, that is parts, and Haya, this term Haya covers a large number of concepts which are to be taken together. Amongst them are self-respect, modesty, bashfulness, and scruple, etc. is a part of faith. Sahih Bukhari. Volume 1, Book 2. Narrated by Abdullah bin Amr. The Prophet said, A Muslim is the one who avoids harming Muslims with his tongue and hands, and a muhajir, immigrant, is the one who gives up, abandons all what Allah has forbidden.